Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So today is going to be a little bit different. Normally on this channel I post a lot of DIY tutorials of making skincare or body care products, but today I have decided to just switch it up and just answer a couple of questions that I've received on my TikTok, my Instagram, or just some of my friends, and like personally they have asked me questions. So we're gonna do that today. So get comfy, get your drinks, and so let's get started. Let's go through some of the questions. So the very first question is, how do I choose the right cleanser for my skin type? And this is such an important question because your cleanser really does set the tone for your skincare routine. So here is a quick guide to figure that out. If you have oily skin, you should look for a gel-based or a foaming cleanser. This will help to remove the excess oils without stripping your skin. If you have dry skin like me, you are going to want to look for more of a cream-based or hydrating facial cleanser is probably more ideal because those cleansers just add moisture but also just gently cleaning your skin. For combination skin, look for a balancing cleanser, so not too drying but still being able to cleanse off the skin and cleansing any of the oily parts of your skin. And then of course, for those with the sensitive skin, always opt for a fragrance-free gentle cleanser, something with really calming ingredients, like maybe an aloe vera or a chamomile. Also remember that your cleanser shouldn't make your skin feel tight or really dry after you've cleansed it. It should feel more clean and comfortable. Question number 2 is, what are the benefits of using facial oils and how do I use them in my routine? I love this question. I used to be one that didn't really see the benefits of facial oils until I started making them and using them on my skin and realized how much of a game changer they honestly are. So facial oils provide a boost of hydration. They really lock in the moisture and deliver antioxidants and nutrients to your skin. But here's how you can use them to make sure that you are getting the most out of your facial oil. So if you're having dry skin, apply a few drops after you put on your moisturizer to really lock in the hydration. And using oils like argan oil or rosehip oil are fantastic choices. If you're having oily or combination skin, you can still benefit from facial oils. It doesn't matter your skin type, from oily, sensitive, or dry. Anyone can use a facial oil, but for those with oily or combination skin, try a more lightweight oil like jojoba oil, which already mimics your skin's sebum, or grapeseed oil, which kind of has a matte finish and it won't leave your skin feeling clogged, won't leave your pores feeling clogged up. And for those with mature skin, rosehip oil is a great addition because it can help reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. You can also mix a few drops into your moisturizer or use them as your last step on your nighttime skincare routine. But remember, you don't need a lot, just a couple of drops will do. A little bit goes a long way. So number 3, how do I layer my skincare products correctly? So this is crucial for making sure that your products work together and not canceling everything out. So there is a proper way to layer your skincare and making sure that you are getting the great benefits of your skincare routine. This is just a general rule. You want to first start with your cleanser, just to clean the canvas, removing the dirt, removing the oil, removing the makeup, removing all the things that your skin has encountered during your day. Next is toner. So toner helps to balance your skin's pH and prepare it for the next products that you have, like a serum. Serums are your Treatment products, they have active ingredients like vitamin C or hyaluronic acid, and so you would use those. And then next would be an eye cream to hydrate under our delicate skin under our eye. Then our moisturizer to seal in all of the previous steps and provide hydration. Next, if you're using a facial oil, you can put that on next. After your moisturizer. And then last but not least, never forget your sunscreen. Never skip this step, especially not in your morning routine. And always use a broad spectrum from SPF 30 or higher. The key is to honestly apply the products from thinnest to thickest. And water-based products should go on first, followed by the oil-based products. And remember to give each layer a minute or two to absorb before moving on to the next step. Last but not least, this is the last question. This is a question that I cannot tell you how many times I have gotten this question, and it is, how can I treat and prevent dark spots or hyperpigmentation naturally? This is something that a lot of people struggle with. Dark spots or hyperpigmentation can honestly be very frustrating, but there are some natural ways to prevent them and to help with this. And one of them, of course, that I'm sure many of you have heard of is turmeric. Then there's also licorice root extract, and then vitamin C. All work really well for brightening the skin and evening out complexions. Turmeric is an anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties that really can help fade dark spots over time. And then licorice root extract inhibits the production of melanin, the pigment which is the pigment that causes the dark spots, making it a fantastic option for treating hyperpigmentation. And then last but not least is vitamin C to really help brighten the skin and promote collagen production. So, but honestly, with those three things, consistency is key. It's not something that you can use like for 3 days and then wonder why it's not working. It's something that you have to be really consistent about and be really patient and give the ingredients a lot of time to work. And of course, making sure that you're using your sunscreen to just prevent further more dark spots or hyperpigmentation. So that is it for today's Q&A session. I really hope that me answering some of these questions provided a little bit of clarity. I am all down for doing this again. So if you have more questions, I would love to hear them. Please put them in the comments so that I can make another video. And then of course, like this video, subscribe, and then hit that notification bell so that you never miss another video. Okay, so happy crafting. See you next time.